Has the Bible been corrupted? That question comes up a lot. And at first glance, it makes sense. There are many translations. There are copyists. There are thousands of years between the original writings and today. So let's break it down clearly. First, the Bible itself makes strong claims about God and His Word. Isaiah 48 says, "The grass withers, the flower fades, but the word of our God will stand forever." Malachi 3:6 says, "For I, the Lord, do not change." Hebrews 13:8 says, "Jesus Christ is the same yesterday and today and forever." And John 1:1 says, "In the beginning was the Word, and the Word was with God, and the Word was God." So the Bible teaches two key ideas. God does not change. God's Word does not change. If that is true, then the idea that God would allow His message to be completely corrupted over time does not line up with His nature. Now, here is where people get confused. They see many Bible versions and assume that means the message has changed. But translations are not the same as corruption. The original Bible texts were written in Hebrew, Aramaic, and Greek. Most people today do not speak those languages, so translations exist to make the same message understandable. Think of it like this. If you translate the same sentence into Spanish, French, and English, the wording looks different, but the meaning stays the same if it is translated correctly. That is what Bible translations aim to do. Some translations are more word for word. Others are more thought for thought. But when you compare them, the core message stays consistent. Who God is, human sin, salvation through Jesus. Now, what about copying errors? Yes, small variations exist in ancient manuscripts. Spelling differences, word order, minor details. But here is the key point. We have thousands of ancient manuscripts. Because of that, scholars can compare them and identify those small differences. And none of those differences change any core doctrine of the Christian faith. So instead of weakening the Bible's reliability, the large number of manuscripts actually strengthens it. It lets us cross-check and confirm the original message. So, has the Bible been corrupted? The evidence says no. Translations explain the differences you see. Manuscripts confirm the consistency. And the message has remained stable for thousands of years. If God does not change, and His Word stands forever, then what we have today is not a broken message. It is a preserved one.